If you have belly fat, this video is for you. And no, this is not another do 100 crunches or drink lemon water type of advice. Look down for a second. That stubborn belly fat, the one that doesn't go away no matter how healthy you eat or how many workouts you try, it's not there because you're lazy. It's not there because you lack discipline. And it's definitely not there because you're genetically doomed. The real reason is this. You've been using the wrong strategy. Belly fat works differently than fat in other parts of your body. And if you don't fix the root causes, no amount of workouts will flatten your stomach. In this video, you're going to learn 5 proven methods that actually work to fix belly fat, methods backed by science, not trends. Stick with me till the end, because the last mistake I'll share is the #1 reason most people stay stuck with belly fat for years. By the end of this video, you'll know why belly fat is so stubborn, what's secretly causing your body to store fat around your stomach, the exact 5 methods you need to apply starting today, and how to avoid the biggest traps that slow your fat loss. No supplements, no extreme dieting, no unrealistic workouts, just simple, effective actions you can actually stick to. Let's get into it. Method 1. Fix your calorie control. Let's start with the foundation. If you have belly fat, you are eating slightly more calories than your body needs, even if you think you're eating clean. And this is where most people mess up. They either eat too much healthy food or starve themselves and slow their metabolism. You don't need to starve to lose belly fat. You need calorie awareness. Here's what you do. Reduce your daily intake by 300 to 500 calories. Focus on portion control, not food elimination. Eat mostly whole foods, but don't obsess. If you eat rice, eat rice. If you eat roti, eat roti. If you eat carbs, keep them, but control the quantity. Belly fat doesn't care how clean your food is. It only cares about energy balance. Fix this, and fat loss becomes possible. Method 2. Prioritize protein in every meal. If you're not eating enough protein, belly fat will stay. Protein is non-negotiable. Why? Because protein keeps you full longer, prevents muscle loss, increases calorie burning through digestion, reduces cravings and late-night snacking. Here's the rule. Every meal must contain a protein source. Examples: eggs, chicken, fish, paneer, tofu, Greek yogurt, dal and legumes combined properly. Aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. When protein goes up, hunger goes down, fat loss speeds up, belly fat starts shrinking. If you do only one thing from this video, increase protein. Method 3. Walk more than you think you need. You don't need extreme cardio to lose belly fat. You need movement consistency. Walking is one of the most underrated fat loss tools. Why walking works? Low stress on the body, burns calories without increasing hunger, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces cortisol, stress hormone linked to belly fat. Your target, 8,000 to 12,000 steps per day. Not all at once, spread it throughout the day. Walk after meals. Walk while on calls. Walk in the morning or evening. If you're lifting weights but barely moving the rest of the day, your belly fat won't budge. Fat loss loves movement. Method 4. Lift weights. Let's clear a myth. You cannot spot reduce belly fat, but you can create the conditions for your body to burn it. Weight training does exactly that. When you lift weights, you build muscle, your metabolism increases, your body burns more calories even at rest. You don't need fancy workouts. Focus on squats, push-ups, rows, lunges, overhead presses, deadlifts. Train 3 to 4 times per week. Keep it simple, progress slowly, stay consistent. The leaner your body becomes overall, the flatter your stomach gets. Method 5. Control stress and sleep. This is the method almost everyone ignores. Stress and poor sleep equals stubborn belly fat. When you're stressed or sleep deprived, your body releases cortisol. High cortisol tells your body, store fat, especially around the stomach. You can eat perfectly and still have belly fat if you sleep less than 6 hours, you're constantly anxious, you overtrain without recovery. What you need is 7 to 9 hours of sleep, a consistent sleep schedule, and simple stress-reducing habits. Examples: evening walks, deep breathing, limiting phone use at night, rest days from intense workouts. Fix sleep, fix stress, and watch belly fat finally respond. Common mistakes. Let's talk about what's holding you back. Mistake 1. Doing ab exercises every day. Crunches don't burn belly fat. They only strengthen muscles under the fat. Abs are revealed by fat loss, not reps. Mistake 2. Cutting carbs completely. Low carbs aren't magic. Calorie control is. Cutting carbs often leads to low energy, binge eating, hormonal imbalance. Balance beats extremes. Mistake 3. Expecting fast results. Belly fat is usually the last to go. If you quit after 2 weeks, you lose. Fat loss requires patience, not perfection. Mistake 4. Relying on supplements. Fat burners don't burn fat, your habits do. Supplements are optional, discipline is not. Mistake 5. Being inconsistent. Doing everything right for 5 days and wrong for 2 days will slow everything down. Consistency beats intensity. Now listen carefully. If you truly want to lose belly fat, you don't need motivation, you need a system. Apply these 5 methods consistently for the next 8 to 12 weeks. 1. Control calories. 2. Eat enough protein. 3. Walk daily. 4. Lift weights. And 5. Sleep and manage stress. If this video helped you, like it, it tells the algorithm this content matters. Subscribe if you want no-nonsense fitness advice that actually works. And comment below, "I'm fixing my belly fat," because the moment you commit, results follow. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your body will change.